Hey guys, welcome back to my colourful country life. I am so excited to be here with you today because it is finally time to announce the winners of my Arrtx giveaway. The giveaway closed last Sunday, and on Monday morning I used a random comment picker to select the 3 lucky winners. I have been waiting for confirmation from Arrtx to make sure the winners met all the criteria, and now I'm ready to share the results with you all. I did record the entire process of drawing the winners to keep everything nice and fair. So without further ado, I will pop that video up here and reveal the winners. First prize goes to @winter89_colors. Congratulations, Melissa, you've won the Arrtx Simptap 48 acrylic marker set. Second prize goes to Susan Woodward Russell 9993. You have won the Arrtx Simptap 36 acrylic marker set. And finally, a third prize goes to @Raggedy Road. You have won this set of the Arrtx Simptap 36 acrylic markers from myself. So to all the winners, please email me at mycountrylife@bigpond.com. I will pop that up on the screen here, and it is also down in the video description as well. So please email me with your full name, address, phone number, and your email address. For the first and second prize winners, I will pass your details on to Arrtx, and for the third prize, I'll be sending it out to you personally. So thank you so much to everybody who entered the giveaway. I truly appreciate your support and participation. It does mean the world to me, so stay tuned for more fun videos, and until next time, bye for now.